Just finishing up day one's breakfast. I did not sleep great last night. I felt like I was all over the place, like just start crying uncontrollably. Good morning, guys, welcome back to my channel. So you've been saying you want more vlogs, and I've been wanting to vlog a lot more. So I decided to go super extra and vlog for 30 days straight and work out for 30 days straight live on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a 2-day detox and following the Hot Body meal plan, because I really wanted to do something like super extra and kick off this year with a big bang, like for my body, like for my mind, everything. And I needed that accountability, and you guys are like the best at holding me accountable. We hold each other accountable. And I just knew that it needed to be like big. I can just be like, oh, I'm gonna do it for a week and like, cool. No, 30 days straight. It's gonna be a challenge for sure, because I'm doing the lives at 8:30 every morning, which I'm not a morning workout person. That's not like too early, but it's still early. And I'm starting day one of the detox. I already had my LSF tonic and my celery juice. I'm drinking my coffee, which thank God there's coffee in it. So I'm gonna show you guys the food I'm eating, the workouts I'm doing throughout the 30 days, and at the end, my like finished progress photos, because I have certain goals I want for my body. Like I wanna see my abs a little more defined. I want like that leftover little pooch from 2020 to leave. And it's gonna happen at the end of the 30 days. So I'm so freaking excited for this. I know you guys have been loving these vlogs, so if you are like pumped up too, spread the thumbs up, give it a click. And you guys, subscribe to my channel. If you like keep popping in and you're like, I love this stuff, check. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because I have new videos every week, obviously. And I'm going to be vlogging more, not just this 30-day one. There's gonna be a lot more coming this year. So I've had my coffee with my healthy fats and everything in it. I'm ready to go. I have my first live with Team LSF right now. I'm gonna prep for that, but let's go 30 days. Since it's day one of the detox, it is liquid love day. So it's really hearty liquids like smoothies and soups and all that stuff. So I'm gonna make my smoothie now. I prepped the soup over the weekend, so that's good to go for dinner, so I don't even have to think about it. But this is my favorite smoothie. So. I'm wrapping up day one. Well, not totally. I have a smoothie for dessert, but with some of my soup. This is a belly soothing soup. Day one, let's go. Day three, yesterday was the last day of the detox, and I woke up feeling so good, you guys. Like, I feel like my skin is glowier. I'm so much less bloated. It's kind of crazy how when you just make tiny little tweaks, you feel completely different, and it can be so fast, like 2 days. So I'm starting the Hot Body meal plan today. I'll be showing you guys some of the meals that I'm doing, but I'm pumped up for this challenge. Like, this is freaking awesome. I'm about to go live for day number 3 of 30. All right, guys, so we're on day 3. All you need for today's workout is one of your booty bands. If you don't have it yet, it's fine. You can grab one later. I'll show you how to do the moves without it, but this is gonna add on serious burn. So we have our 3 moves. Today's leg and booty day, so we're gonna focus on the glutes and our hamstrings and a little bit of those abductors on the side. So grab your band, we're gonna bring it around your thighs. I did not sleep great last night. I felt like I was all over the place, like half awake all night long. And then of course, like was sleeping so good this morning, and then my alarm went off. And I'm already just like, I'm so not used to waking up to an alarm every morning. It is amazing how much better you can feel when you have a little coffee, put your makeup on. So yeah, I feel ready, I feel pumped up. This is like where the energy comes from. It's just like that first 10 minutes sometimes where it's rough getting up. Here we go. I'm about to go live for day 7 of our LSF 30 challenge. So now I'm like 5 days into the Hot Body meal plan, and honestly, I feel like a new person. Like, I know that sounds really dramatic, but I just got in such an unhealthy habit of eating stuff and having cocktails that I just don't normally do all the time for so long last year, and especially through the holidays, that just like cutting that out and starting to put all the good stuff back in my body, I have more energy. I'm sleeping so much better. I thought I was like just stress that was not letting me sleep as well, but I think it was definitely what I was eating too. So I'm so excited. Like, I just know I'm gonna, by the end of these 30 days, feel incredible. It's day 10, and I meant to check in this morning, and I just got like so sidetracked and busy with the live because we had a long live this morning. On Mondays we're doing like the big one. My body's so sore. Normally I will do my main workout too, so I would do like the live and do my main workout, but since it was a 30-minute one and it was all like these legs and booty, cannot do anymore for the day. So calling it there. I'm gonna spend some time foam rolling tonight, but 10 days in, we're a third of the way through the challenge. I'm feeling so good. Like every day I seriously feel so good. And this weekend I had my first cocktail of the year and I felt it. One cocktail and I was like, woo! So they're just gonna get worked a little bit in that bonus move, but it's all gonna be focused on our core. So kind of down the rectus abdominis, the front of the abs. Are you guys ever so stressed out and overwhelmed where you watch something funny and just start crying uncontrollably? TikTok. Don't watch TikTok when you're stressed out. I thought it was just gonna be like, okay, this will be a good relaxation. And then I just started whoosh. I've been feeling so good on the challenge. We're not even halfway there, but like physically feeling so good. Mentally been using my workouts as a time to really just like try to like de-stress and decompress a little bit. It's day 13. I finished the live workout this morning. I mean, my body's definitely starting to get used to the double days, doing the lives and doing my own workout and everything else. And I'm feeling a lot better today, for sure, like a lot better. But I have to go to the grocery store because even though I meal prepped earlier this week, we're just eating so much on the Hot Body meal plan, which always just reminds me why I need to do it consistently and like check back in with it every couple months, because I get busy and then I'm not eating enough, like even to lose weight or to build muscle. Like it takes a lot of food. So I gotta get some groceries and do some more prepping to get us through the rest of this week. Day 14, I just finished our daily 10 and bonus move. We crushed it in 12 minutes, and now I'm hopping over onto Health Magazine's Instagram for a 30-minute no crunch abs workout. So woo, let's go Friday. Monday, day 17. To be honest, like it's kind of wearing me out a little bit going live every single day. It just takes a ton of energy. Yesterday I was like, it's always so much fun. I'm just like exhausted, and Mondays are long workouts, and so like getting up and having the energy to like pump it up and do my own workout for 30 minutes and like be ready to go is just, there's like mornings where I'm like, maybe I'll just cancel. Good morning guys, it's day 20. So we're officially 2/3 of the way through the LSF 30 challenge. I woke up this morning just feeling a little burnt out again. I feel like once a week I'm like, whew. And I think it's just because it takes so much mentally to be like on every single day, first thing in the morning, like ready to go. It's just like a different thing. Like it's a different energy. I'm used to going live maybe once or twice a week and then like filming and stuff, and that's like just so different than like being live. I've been now adding like being live on TikTok and stuff into it too, so it's just a lot. And today I have 2 lives. My body's feeling a little bit like exhausted. My mind's feeling a little bit exhausted. So day 20. What the heck? How did we get to day 20? That is 2/3 of the way through the LSF 30 challenge. I feel like it has flown by. Like 20 days has flown by. I was talking to Ryan last night about how much I freaking love being live with you guys every single morning. I also didn't, like I knew it was a big commitment, but I didn't realize like, wow, it's a big commitment to show up and be on first thing in the morning, ready to go. Getting ready for tonight's live, and I just am like trying to figure out how to mentally get myself there. I feel so drained. It's day 21. I just finished our live workout, and honestly I feel like a completely brand new person. I think I just needed some time for myself to just like regroup. We're 3 weeks in, which is amazing because that's when like that habit is really starting to be formed for everyone, and like showing up every single day and taking care of yourself. Like it takes 3 weeks to like form that habit, then you got to keep it going, right? So I just feel re-energized, recharged, so ready for this last 9 days of this challenge. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Monday, day 24 of our LSF 30. This is our final week. So we finish on Sunday strong. Today's a full length workout, so 30 minutes, leg and booty. It's our last long workout together, and then every day the rest of the week we're doing our just short daily 10 and bonus moves. I'm so excited, not because it's like ending, obviously this has been so much fun, although it's definitely been challenging, but I'm just excited seeing girls' progress photos. Like they've already been posting so many just like weekly updates, and it's insane. It's so insane. Good morning, you guys. It's leg and booty day, our final one of the LSF 30 challenge. This is going to be very fun and it's gonna freaking burn, so get ready for it. If you have your LSF slider discs or your tube bands, grab them. You're gonna want them for this workout. If you don't, that's okay. Grab a set of dumbbells, maybe some towels to have on hand, and I'll show you how we can modify throughout the workout. I wasn't like, oh, it's a daily 10 bonus, it's gonna be easy. And then I'm sweating like crazy. But I feel like I just go extra when we're like doing it together, you know what I mean? I just feel like I have to show up in a different way. So I'm like, yeah, let's do extra reps. Let's go bonus. Let's add jumps to those squats. Why not? But I still have my full workout to do today. We're doing it. But this is why I'm glad I'm doing it later, so I can take like a breather in between. Pouring out rain, like pouring rain. It's day 28. Today we have our team meeting. This is the first time we've all gotten together in like almost a year, which is crazy. So everyone's been self-quarantining, COVID tests, and we're gonna see each other for a big 2021 meeting. And I totally didn't think about timing with going live. So last night I was like, do I need to cancel? What do I need to do? Because we have our meeting. I can't be sweaty all day. But I'm on a 28-day streak. I cannot cancel. So we're just gonna go live, like in the meeting a little bit. That's fine. I'll take a quick break, but it's gonna happen. The office is looking so freaking cute. We just set up our whole lounge area. Look at these cookies, you guys. It's gonna be so adorable. Best day ever. We had everyone, like I said, everyone was tested, everyone's been quarantining, but we also got these cute masks. My girl Carrie at Gold Sheet made them for us. So everyone has their own special mask. Filling my coffee. I just ice rolled because I slept so hard last night that I have like creases from my face mask on my face still. But today is our last day. I can't even believe we made it here. Day 30, like, I don't even know, crazy town. So I gotta get ready really fast, make sure my playlist is all locked in, and then it's live time. Consistency to know that I had this time with you every single morning for 30 freaking days in a row. Like, that's so crazy, you guys. Like, I'm so grateful to you for being here every day so that we can have this time together, for helping hold me accountable. Because I need it as much as you do. Like, we are in this together every step of the way as we build these healthy lifestyles and live our best lives together, you guys. That is what Team LSF is all about. Building that confidence and really creating this incredible space where we can all come as we are, who we are, where we're at in our journeys, where we're at in the world, and really show up for each other. Be like this. You don't have to like just side lunge. Make it a dance. For yourself. Have some fun with it. Whatever you need. It's day 30. Let's go. A lot lately. This last week has been so extremely powerful and encouraging and inspiring, but this whole month has changed me in so many ways you guys will never know. Being a part of this community has always been something so magical and so special, but there's something about 30 days knowing that we are all doing the exact same thing at the exact same time here together around the world. Like, you guys are across the globe, all at different places in your journey. Like, we are all just so different in so many ways, but the fact that we have this that brings us together, it's just so different, like knowing someone's doing that with you. Like, it's not, that's not me. It's not just me working out like by myself, like, I'm gonna do this every day for 30 days. It's like thousands of women showing up at the same time. I can't believe we're here. I spent most of the day crying, looking through everyone's post, with everyone checking in at the end of the challenge, and truly, like, this has been the most phenomenal 30 days. I feel like a different person inside and out. I feel so inspired by every single one of you, everyone who did this challenge with me. Showing up every day and being connected with you in that way was so powerful. It was so moving. It gave me purpose, and really, I don't know, it just like, it changed like me at the core. And I think that this was the most beautiful start to a year I could have ever dreamed of. I know January is always a weird month. People come out like guns a-blazing and then fall off. But like, I just feel like this is like just the momentum and kickstart we all needed to really like connect and get going on this year and reset these goals. I mean, my progress photos, I wasn't really like going into this trying to lose weight or anything. I just wanted to challenge myself in a different way and like really clean up my nutrition after the new year. But like, those photos don't lie, you guys. That's pretty incredible. Wow, it is definitely like the biggest challenge I've done in a very long time. So I'm very proud of myself. And if you're doing something, I just want you to know, like, it's okay to be proud of yourself. You should be proud of yourself. So give yourself some props, a little tap on the shoulder, high five, show yourself some love. We deserve it. We work our butts off. Whatever it is you're doing in life, whether it's a fitness challenge or work or whatever, like, I need you to know that you are awesome and you need to make sure you take care of yourself and celebrate yourself. So I'm gonna pop some bubbly tonight because I can. Take a little hot tub, it's gonna be amazing. So if you haven't done a challenge with me before, I have them every single month. There's something new, so make sure you are signed up for the free daily workouts, sign up for my newsletter so you're the first to know. I'll drop the link down below for you guys. If you wanna do the workouts that I did for 30 days, all you need to do is download the Love Sweat Fitness app. They're in there for you, laid out schedule, so you don't even have to think about it. You just show up every day, do the workouts, and you will feel so freaking amazing. My meal plans are down below too. Definitely check out the 4-week hot body meal plan. If you pair that with your app workouts, girl, your 2021 is going to be freaking amazing. So check all of that out. I love you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that red button if you're not already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And I will see you guys next week.